Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna solve level 4 of Ethernaut, which is called telephone. So the objective of this level is to claim ownership of the contract. As we can see that the contract is very simple. It has a state variable that holds the address of the owner. It sets the owner state variable inside the constructor. And then we only have one change owner public function. This function is where the owner state variable can be updated. But in order to execute this line, this condition has to be true. So what is this condition? This condition states that tx.origin is not equal to message.sender. What is the difference between tx.origin and message.sender? Message.sender is the direct caller to the function. So let's assume that user A called the contract A, and then contract A called the contract B. Then the message.sender inside contract B will be contract A, but the tx.origin will be user A, because the tx.origin is the originator that initiated the whole transaction. But message.sender is just the direct caller to the function. But tx.origin, it is always the first caller, no matter what is the internal calls after that. So if we are able to make another contract that calls this contract, then this condition will hold to be true. Let's see this in our remix here. So this is the contract of the telephone. I write the contract here so that I can get a reference to it here. And then I created another contract called exploit, where I have an external function called attack, and I call change owner function from this contract, and I pass to it the message.sender. So let's trace this function now. So when a change owner is executed, the tx.origin will be my address, but the message.sender will be this contract address. So the tx.origin will not be equal to message.sender, and that's why the condition will be true, and this line will be executed and update the owner to be my address. So in this input parameter, I will just pass message.sender, which is my address. So let's compile this contract and deploy it, but before I deploy it, I just need to update this address. I will get a new instance here. This is the contract address. I will update it here, compile the contract, deploy it. Wait until the transaction is confirmed. The contract is deployed here. Let's call attack function. The transaction is confirmed. Let's submit the instance. You can also check here on the contract owner as well. It is the same as the player address. Well done. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial.